These slides on the YouTube are on thought leadership. A novel, the thought leadership is a novel point of view which brings new perspective and is able to change someone's view on an issue, or the action of introducing and promoting convention breaking ideas that cause people to change how they think about the marketplace or societal issues, or the process of formulating big ideas and insightful point of view on the issues buyers face, capturing those ideas in multiple content vehicles and sharing the ideas with prospects and customers to enlighten them, or a method, process, guideline, or set of best practices to shape success, or introduction and promotion of an influential idea that is heard, implemented, and trusted by the industry players and the society to solve their pressing concerns. Thought leadership is not like traditional leadership. It has no hierarchy and no one manages anyone. It is basically the urging of new ideas to curb industrial or societal challenge and not by influencing people with instincts. It, it can come from any individual in an organization or in the industry, be it manager or non managerial staff, provided the person has the necessary intellect and expertise. For example, when Christian Bernard demonstrated the feasibility of heart transplant surgery, most doctors adopted to it without being persuaded. In this instance, the doctors trusted the new idea based on the facts evidenced by Christian Bernard and not his power to influence. The pillars of thought leadership are one, novelty, and second, trust. The, the thought leadership model involves four steps. First is step number one is identifying your target audience. Step number two, develop your thought leadership platform. Step number three, engage your audience. And step number four, assess the impact on your business.